Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Babes Life in the US. Let's eat guys. Let's eat lunch. Yummy lunch guys. My lunch is mushroom and broccoli and bacon. Good na din. My own version recipe. You add beef bro and milk. Good. It's good. Amazing. Invented recipe. Sige. Hi guys. Good afternoon. Mag-snack kayo guys. I feel a little bit hungry. If I don't hungry, I'm not doing snack guys. But if I feel hungry, of course we need to do snack. Oreo to guys, Oreo. How much ba yan? $3 pala to eh, regular price. The Oreo. $3. But because 75%, so how much na lang? 75% eh. $3 divide 4. 75? Oo, 75 cents na lang guys. Sa Alice Store. Yeah. Wow. Very cheap. 75 cents. Yeah. But let's see the expiration. Maybe the expiration is very close. Cost $3 guys, but I buy 75 cents. Nag-sale man sila. Oh, wow. Let's eat guys. Oh, the expiration is long time pa guys. Sometime Alice Store nagsisale sila this Alice Store. This month guys, ang expiration niya September. This month ang expiration. Nagsisale sila guys, pag ganun guys. Malapit na ang expiration ba? It's it good. Oreo.
There's a $50,000 reward for information leading to his arrest.
Get a short talk, guy. Lot of house for sale over here. Ito o'clock pa lang, guys. Some people is walking, some is still sleep. But because I woke up so early, guys, we need to go to little bit of walk, at least 15 minutes, it's fine. This is the clubhouse, guys. Right there. Dalawang entrance. This is the clubhouse right there. Golf cart parking. Nice. May golf na over here. My husband don't know. Me, I'm walking. I told them to watering the flower and working the yard. Few people doing walk, guys. Also our grocery arrived at 9. We placed our order last night and deliver 9 AM. So far is 8 o'clock pa lang, guys. Hi guys, grocery shopping from Walmart. September 6 guys, first week of September. Prince Daniela Premier Clementine potato alat panday cheese pork bacon banana chicken garlic biscuit and this one garlic egg. Ayan, the bread for slider and fries, and that's it guys. $74 total. Watching Mass online guys every Sunday from 11 AM to 12. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome. Shopping again guys. I love my earrings. My earring is chicken, what is that? Chicken hair guys. Oh, look at that. I like that. Matcha sa clothes guys. Lot of lotion, shampoo. Some shampoo over here guys. Swab ba na? Oy, it's swab. Gimpas 24. This one nice. I'm looking lot of card over here. My husband's birthday is coming soon, so I think this one is nice. The other one, this one. The other one is this one. This one naman. I'm looking guys, husband wedding anniversary right here. Lot of here guys. Husband This one. Small money. I think this one. Nice. Hi guys, we're not just from Walmart. I buy something in Walmart. And we do unboxing quick. Banana. The combo and avocado. And this one. And of course this one, paper towel. This one, the trash bag. Trash bag again. And this one, slice. Slice first. We need to deflate the between same amount. Filtered. I put this one noodles. And tissue. Tidal net. My husband's soap. My husband deodorant. Soap. And this one. Q-tips and toothbrush, please. And we got this one. And of course, hamburger helper. Egg. Corn. For the cake base. I like this one. And I get this. Candy. We put this one for this. This card. Wedding anniversary and birthday card. Tissue bag. And of course, lip gloss on my lipstick. And that's it, guys. And we spend this guy $139. That's it's good. Very pure. And we spend $138. Do you think it's fine? I'm fine. Oh, very gloomy. No? Look like all of rain.
Yeah.
Oh no. All of rain, guys. The sky is so very dark. The sky is so dark, guys.